Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent loss of crypto on Trust Wallet. So if you want to prevent the chance of you losing your crypto on Trust Wallet, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is open your Trust Wallet app on your phone, then you input your passcode or your Face ID. Then once you do that, then you tap on Get button. Then right there you're going to tap on the wallet. Then from here, if you have different wallets, you have different, like up to 3 or 4 wallets on the Trust Wallet account. You have to repeat this same process from every single one of the wallet that you have to avoid or to prevent loss of crypto on each of the wallets. So if you want to do that now, if you want to prevent you losing your wallet or your crypto rather, so here's how you can get it done. Just tap on the backup manually, then you tap on it, then you input your passcode or your Face ID option. The passcode. Then right here, this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. So you just have to create a key phrase for our wallet. Then since you are ready to that, then you check this little box here, which is Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase, which is, everybody knows that it's a story. Then you tap on continue. You make sure you check make sure you check this 3 mark here. Once you do that, then you tap on continue. And right here you have access to your backup phrase, which is manually, and we have about this phrase in 12. These phrases are in 12, and this have to be hidden. And the reason why this is showing on this camera right now is because I'm not using this particular wallet. It is basically for this video. So if you want to back up your wallet with your fund, these have to be kept secret and private. You can even see under the notes, never share your secret phrase with anyone or store it securely. So this 12 phrase here, you have to save this securely. So if I were you, I would just simply screenshot it, then put it somewhere or write it out, and with the same number, then you keep it somewhere safe, just in case for future purpose. So I'm just going to tap on this. You can see, in fact, did they allow me to screenshot it? I don't know, let me check. So actually I don't know, I can't really see if they allow me to screenshot it, but if they don't, then you have to manually copy it yourself somewhere. After that, then you tap on continue. Then right here, from here, you have to input every single one of the phrase. Since you have copied it down correctly, the what to, which one belongs to number 2, which one belongs to number 7, which one belongs to number 8, and which one belongs to 12. So once you can do that, then you tap on confirm. Then your phrase will be automatically back up. Your wallet will be automatically back up to this phrase, and whenever you want to recover your wallet, you can use this to recover your wallet together with your fund, so that you will not lose your crypto fund on your wallet. And that's it. If I video full, please subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.